Have you ever walked away from a conversation with someone and thought, wait, was I the problem? If so, you may have been dealing with a narcissist. And while they can be charming, persuasive, and calculated, there's one powerful question that can expose them in an instant. A question that disrupts their game. A question they can't answer without revealing who they really are. Let's talk about it. The nature of narcissism. First, let's get clear. Narcissists thrive on control, attention, and admiration. They rewrite stories to make themselves the hero or the victim. They gaslight. They deflect. They charm until you challenge them. But behind the mask is deep insecurity, and that's where your question becomes your power. The powerful question is, what would you do if you were in my shoes? It sounds simple, but it's a mirror, a reality check. Here's why it works. A healthy person responds with empathy. They try to understand, they reflect, they connect. But a narcissist, they'll stumble, they'll deflect, or they'll turn the blame back on you because empathy isn't in their toolkit. They don't do accountability. They do manipulation. Why does this question work? This question corners them into showing either 1, lack of empathy, 2, defensive behavior, or 3, irritation or rage. They'll either change the subject, gaslight you harder, or explode with anger. None of those are normal responses, and that is your answer. When should you use this question? This isn't something to ask during explosive conflict. It's best used in calm settings during a moment of reflection or decision-making. It's a diagnostic tool, not a trap, and it's for you, not to win. What should you watch for after you ask it? Do they become annoyed or cold? Do they laugh it off or twist your words? Do they answer with real empathy or only self-centered logic? Remember, their reaction is the revelation. You don't need to diagnose anyone, but you do deserve relationships rooted in honesty, care, and empathy. Sometimes the most powerful clarity comes from a single question. So next time you're doubting yourself, ask it, and watch closely, not just for the answer, but for the reaction. If this helped you feel seen or supported, subscribe to After Infidelity, What Now? For weekly videos on betrayal recovery, toxic relationship patterns, and healing from emotional abuse. You are not alone, and your voice matters.